What's up, everybody? Market up or down? The market is down. So we need to look to buy some stuff. So let's take a quick look at the brokerage account. And we have one position in MTB. So the first thing that I would do is look at that one first. You got to water your own lawn before you start watering somebody else's, right? It's been kind of dead for the last while here, but you can see the RSI is not under 30. There's other strategies that this would be just fine, but that's not what we're doing here. So what's the next step? We need to find something to buy, right? Should be some good stuff. I've been waiting for this sell-off for a long time. I made a lot of money on the short side in the main account. It's been a really good run. So much of it is mental. You got to keep your head about you, and I'm struggling with that now. So really wanting to just quit the job and go full time, but I'm not sure it's time yet. But we are very, very close. All right. That it? Pretty well it, huh? Excuse me. All right, so we got some options here. Now, another thing to keep in mind is how much money do we have? We're only going to have 3-day trades. This one sell is not going to count against that. We got $417. So the way I would do it is, I know I like this one. Levi, we're definitely going to take this one. It's a consumer staple, cyclical, I guess. But PEs are under 15, right? Dividend, low debt. They make money very regularly. Very boring business. Target's $18, way up here. So I just like everything about this one. So we're going to do this one. 14.29. It looks like we missed a Cisco sell too. So we'll get that cleared up as well. Now 1% of $400 is only $4. So we're only going to take one. Simple and easy as that. 429. Let's see. Filled orders. It will only show me the current day. I pull it up on the phone. But I do want to see what our Cisco sold for. So we'll pull that up in the background here. Bink. History. All right. Sell Cisco. 47.14 was the price. I'll get caught up here. Computer's running really slow. 47.14. So we made more than 1%, right? 1% would only been 46 pennies. So we got a good fill there. And it sold on 4/24. Was that yesterday? See, so if you're working a full-time job, do not let that be an excuse. Or you got, oh, I got kids. That's the dumbest thing I ever heard. You just have to open your mind to the possibility that if you work hard, you can be successful. And it's something that I'm really becoming a believer of now as I'm moving on to the next phase of my life. But this is low effort, and can be done by anybody that's willing to apply themselves, right? It's a very lazy strategy, so I really hope it helps you. And computer's just taking the day off on us. And we could buy something that's a little more pricey to try to get more money in and stuff like that. But it's not about being greedy. These are the companies that I like. They are the staples for the economy. First Trigger's a second. They're very boring. They're very predictable movers. And while we wait, as the market could continue to sell off, we don't know, we're going to get that dividend, right? So you figure your sell price? For me, oh, come on. I'm just doing 1%. That's what I always do. What's that going to be? 43? Is that what you got? Remember to make all of your own decisions, man. I'm not telling you what to do, but this is a good example, and you'll want to do it your own way anyway. Good till cancel with the extended. But the hardest thing about making money in the markets is figuring out where in the heck to get started. So I think there's huge value in showing folks where to get started. That's what we're doing. Beyond that, you're going to do what you want anyhow. So, and hopefully you can see over the several months we've done this, it makes money. We're going to do a little bit of a big picture view at the end, so stick around. All right. So we've already got a bank, right? And we already know that one's a no-go. Technology software company. So probably all of these, look at the PE, is high. Sorry, I don't know why things run so slow. I actually got better internet. Yeah, so this is just a little high, especially for a company that I don't know nothing about it. I was going to take my time and go through all of these, but the computer ain't going to work. That's going to kibosh those plans. We're really looking for anything that's not a financial, just so that we can kind of diversify a little bit. Skyworks Solutions is actually a name brand. Let's take a look at the numbers. And then we'll probably buy a bank. That's just what's hot right now. That's nice. The dividend is nice for technology. Heck yeah. No debt. This is a little concerning. But the rest of this is okay. I like this. Let's take this one. SWKS. I'm a little slow today. Okay. I got about 100 things on my mind. I'm getting really close to doing this stuff full time. This is my calling. It's a pretty fun journey. I hope some of you at least will have some success and think the same thing about it. All right, First Trigger's a second. Everything's super laggy. I don't know if it's doing some kind of an update or something, but this is a little ridiculous. Still just one share, right? Jeez. All right, so 101.69 was the closing print. That's what we're going to pay. Now do your sell price. Pause the video if you need to. But for me, yours might be different. But for me, mine is 101.69 times 101. So basically, if you do it all in your head like I do, that's going to net us 102.70. Did I do that right? Should make $1.01. And that's a winner right there. Good till cancel with the extended hours. And ship it. Send the order flow. Okay. Still got $300 left. Stock market's all about patience. Apparently so is working on a crappy computer. Okay. So now we got $300 left. And all of these are kind of like similar. So what I think I would like to do is get one. Let's see what USB is. Just because it is the highest price over here. Low PEs, low debt, high dividend. It's about the way all the banks are looking right now. All right, we'll take this. USB 3177. Remember, stick around to the end. We're going to do a little bit of a top-down view on this thing because there's a lot to soak in. You've had a period of time where not a lot has happened. And then, boom, the last 2 days, the whole world changed. Is that what I got? 31.77? Oh my goodness. I think it's going to be too much for me. My OCD is going to go crazy. First trigger's a second. You might want to watch this sucker at 2 times speed. First trigger's a second. The bid's green. I don't know if that means we're picking orders up off the bid or what. Alright. Pause the video. Find your sell price. Do figure it out for yourself. Don't be that guy or gal. Don't be cheating off of me. I might do it wrong. What do you got? Oh, wait. Bam. I think that's it. Limit. Good till cancel with the extended hours. That's a winner. Alright, so this will conclude our 3 day trades. You follow me? Everything with the Christmas lights is a day trade. Now we still have $269. So let us continue. I would like to have one that is, we'll do this one. I'd like to have one that's around $10 because that's our deposit, right? High dividend, no debt, low PEs, everything's good. I like this one. CVBF at 1456. All right. Now for this one, we're not going to put a sell in. Okay. We don't want to get flagged by the SEC as shaking up the whole market. But we're not going to just sit in cash either. What you'll notice is this is a great exercise into making you comfortable at holding stocks. All of these stocks that I buy in this scenario or this strategy, I would be happy to hold all of them for long periods of time, 5 years plus, right? That's why we check the 5 year, right? That's what we're going with. And what we're going to do is we're going to dwindle this sucker down to about half, okay? And that gives us, good till cancel with the extended. That gives us enough cash to continue to average down and buy stuff, right? But also to participate in the move. Because all these banks are all the same. It was a panic move. Banks probably aren't going out of business. Nobody knows for sure. But UCBI, let's see, this one is a higher price too. First we had a problem, we didn't have any money. Now we got the opposite problem, right? More money, more problems. Dividend, low PE, no debt. Earnings on this is low, baby. It's low. Holy smokes. Let's find something else. I don't know, we're trying to make 1% for 5 years. That's alright. What's going on in the semiconductor space? Do we look at this one? Dividends are lower in semiconductors versus banks, right? They just are. Low PE, low debt. Everything looks good. Besides, all the insiders sold out. You should feel horrible doing that to your shareholders. You should feel horrible. AMKR 2203. Yeah, they just dumped the stock. That's horrible. Holy smoke, that's another whole dollar. I hate how they do that. Alright. Limit, good till cancel with the extended hours. Remember, no sell again, right? Because we don't want to get pattern day traded out here. SEC coming knocking on the door. We got $230 left. I say we leave it there. If you want to go through and buy everything that looks legitimate, by all means, go ahead. But what you'll run into is then you'll have a bunch of positions and you have no money to average anything down. This strategy is set up to where the first day you buy it, it's supposed to continue to go down. The reason we do that is so that we can build a big position. When you take your position size at 1% per hit, you're not going to make that much money. But if you have 10 of those positions and you put 1% in each one every day, and then you start selling that, you can start moving the account in big ways. And that's how we do it. So for the big picture view, I just want to point out that the charts will speed up here. I just want to point out something. There hasn't been much on the screener. The videos have been pretty bland, kind of boring. But we were just ready for the pitch, okay? During all this chop, we got some action here, but during all this, which is about a week and a half, 2 weeks, there wasn't much on the screener, wasn't much going on, and you might have thought, well, this just ain't working out, whatever. But now when we buy here, even if the market dumps off, we did not buy up here at the tops. So you can see that's about 2%, right? That's about a 2% move. So we're already 2% off the short-term tops. And I don't know if the computer would work. And if you believe that the S&P goes up over time, which I do, when we get back up here to all-time highs, look how much we're off the highs we are. So we can buy freely in any of these zones and feel really good about the value we're getting as long as the financials look okay. Another piece is if you go back through the chart, you can see this was February, right? We're at the same level. We had a high here. That was in December, right? We were back here. Oh, there's the high from June, last June. And then I want to take you on a small journey, if the computer will operate with me here, and show you that since June, we have been pulling money out, okay? And that is the strength of the strategy. It seems like there's not a whole lot going on. Look under the hood. We're just taking a little bit every time it wiggles. And it just works. And for people that have full-time work and priorities and families and things like that, but that can spare a little time to learn on the side when you got some time, but a consistent 5 to 10 minutes a day, I'm convinced this can help you learn and get better in the markets really fast. And if you think it's valuable, share it with other folks. You might be able to help. But do make all your own decisions. It's a lot of learning about yourself. But if you want a cookie cutter, here's 5 minutes how to make money in the markets. This is it. And it has to be coupled with the investment account. And as that continues to grow and we start getting monthly dividends and those go in the bank account, you folks will see really quick that we're building passive income. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day if the market is even down. If you look at your phone, the market's up, keep walking. And that happens 70% of the time. And so 70% of the time you do nothing. The other 30%, I need 10 minutes. So I hope this is helpful. I know this is a longer one, but I'm excited we have some activity. I'm looking forward to hitting our goal of 60 here. And we start putting $200 in, yeah, this is going to start moving quicker. So I'm excited for the future. I'm excited for the future outside of here, maybe going full-time trading. I'm thinking about doing a live. If you guys want to see what I'm actually doing during the day, that might be cool. And it's Tuesday, so I'm going to volunteer with the youth. So remember, the best investment you can make is in other people. So help each other and have an awesome evening. We'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.